Welcome to your Maths online class. In the last class, we discussed about the how to form a greatest and smallest 5-digit numbers. Today, in your Maths class, I am going to explain about the international system of numeration. Different systems are followed in different countries. In India, we follow Indian system of numeration for official purpose. However, there is an international system of numeration followed by all over the world. Now, let us learn about the international system of numeration. Okay, children? Now, see here. Let us learn about the international system of numeration. Okay, children. Now, can you tell me what is the greatest 5-digit number? It is 99,999. The greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Now, can you tell me the successor of 99,999? If you can add 1 for this number, you will get the successor of 99,999. Then, if you can observe here we are getting a new place value. Then we will call it 100,000 place. We read it as 100,000 place. We write 100,000 for it. 100,000 is read as 100,000. We have to read it as 100,000. 100,000. Now, let us see the international system place value chart. Now, let us see the international place value system of numeration place value chart. It is the international system of numeration place value chart. In this chart, the ones period has 3 places. They are ones, tens, hundreds. And the thousands period has 3 places. They are thousands, 10,000s and 100,000. But whereas in Indian system we are getting only 2 periods. But when it is international system, the ones period has 3 places and the thousands period also has 3 places. They are ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. It is the international system place value chart. Okay, children. Now let us complete the exercise 1.6. Complete. What is this number? 527,426. How many 100,000? Yes, it is 500,000 and 2 10,000s. Next one, how many thousands? 7,000. Now can you write here ones, tens, hundreds. Next one it is 1,000, 10,000 and 5 it is in 100,000. Like that you have to write. Suppose here I am writing first ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. In this you have to adjust the numbers. 5, 2, 7, 4, 2, 6. Now can you tell me how many 100,000s are there? 500,000. How many 10,000s are there? 2 10,000. How many thousands? 7,000. And how many hundreds? 4 hundreds. And how many tens are there? 2 tens. Then how many ones? 6 ones. Now the second one is write the numeral. Now we have to write the number. How many 100,000s are there? 400,000, 400,000s. And how many 10,000s? 4 10,000s. And how many thousands? 2 thousands. How many hundreds? 8 hundreds. And how many tens are there? 4 tens. And how many ones? 3 ones. Whereas in international system we have to divide the number with after the 3 digits we have to separate the numbers with after 3 digits we have to keep the comma. 442,843. Now next one. Write the place value of each digit of 434,256. First we have to adjust the numbers in place value chart. That means suppose here I am writing first ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and 100,000. What is the number? 434,256. Now let us write the place value of each digit. 6 is in which place? Ones place. That means 6 into 1. Next, 5 it is in which place? It is tens place. That means 5 into 10. 5 it is in tens place. Next, 2 it is in which place? It is hundreds place. So 2 into 100. Next, 4 it is in which place? It is thousands place. That means 4 into 1000. 4 into 1000. Next, 3 it is in 10,000. 3 into 10,000. Next, 4 it is in which place? 100,000. 4 into 100,000. 100,000. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 5 into 10, 50. 2 into 100, 200. 4 into 1000, 4,000. Next, 3 into 10,000, 30,000. 4 into 100,000, 400,000. Now let us write the number in international system. That is 434,000. 400,000, 30,000, 4,000. That means 434,256. 256. Just you have to add these numbers. 434,256. It is the place value of a digit. First you have to write each digit in which place is there. You have to write the digits in the place values. Now next you have to write the place value of a number. 434,256. Next one. Write 13,525 and 425,340 in the place value chart. In the place value chart. For this we have to draw a place value chart. Write 13,525 and 425,340 in the place value chart. For this first we have to draw a place value chart table. First you have to draw the table of International System of Numeration. On the table you have to adjust these numbers. Their places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. In this place value chart you have to adjust these numbers. Next section. Next question is write the number name of 324,675 in International System of Numeration. For this also first you have to draw the place value table. International System place value table. What is the given number? 324,675. If you can adjust these numbers in place value chart, then you came to know the number name of 324,675. Next question, sixth one. Write the numeral for 432,869. It is very easy. Just you have to write the number. What is the number? 432,000. After you can keep the comma. Then 869. Next one. Write the numeral for the following number name in Indian system of numeration. Here the number name was given 235,460. First you have to write this number 235,460. After this number you have to adjust in Indian place value system. Then you came to know the Indian system of number. What is that number? 235,460. In Indian system, the number is 2,35,460. Okay children, did you understand everybody? Can write these all sums in your notebook and practice in your notebook another time. Okay, thank you.